6 powerful weapons of influence to quickly increase sales. You can easily implement any of these 6 principles when you'd like to influence or persuade others to do business with you. As a business owner, you are already aware that a good reputation takes a long time to build, but you can also lose it in a moment. The 6 principles of influence were created by Robert Cialdini. Cialdini identified these 6 principles through experimental studies where other marketers and advertisers use this successfully in the art of convincing and influencing others. In this video, we'll go deeper on how you can apply these 6 principles in your business. First, you need to make sure that you truly understand the people in your audience. You need to know why you want to influence them. Think about your ultimate sales objectives and decide which principles will be most useful in your current situation to boost sales. Principle 1, reciprocity. Give a little something to get a little something in return. To use reciprocity to influence others, you'll need to identify what you can give to a prospective customer to get something in return. If you'd like to start building your list, you can offer the following in exchange for contact information such as their name and email. You can give away free valuable content such as a free guide, an online webinar that teaches something useful, or even a free consultation where you provide a solution to your target audience's problem. Principle number 2, commitment. People want their beliefs to be consistent with their values. At this point, you want to try to get people's commitment early on, either verbally or in writing. For example, if you're selling a product, sell a very small quantity, a taster, or make it easy for people to change their mind once they've bought it. Here, buying the product is the early commitment, even though they might have the right to return it if they want to. Then you also want to invite commitment by asking your potential customer to take a small action. One small action will pave the way to bigger future actions. Here are some little actions that you can ask for. You can ask your prospective customer to follow you on social media. If they start following you on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other social media channel, they'll be exposed to your brand, but also it's another way to get them in front of the offers to entice them to buy from you soon. Principle 3, social proof. There's nothing like feeling validated based on what others are doing. Social proof is a crucial ingredient in online marketing. People will buy, see, do what other people buy, see, and do. You can use this principle by creating a buzz around your business or your offerings. Some examples are through the use of testimonials. Testimonials are one of your greatest weapons in marketing. Use them freely and powerfully, as this can influence others to give your company a try. Create content that gets commented on, whether it be through your videos, blogs, or social media posts. Any strong discussion around your content marketing pieces will even create a greater social action. Principle 4, liking. The more you like someone, the more you'll be easily persuaded. To build good relationships, ensure that you put in the time and effort needed to build trust and rapport with clients and people you work with, and behave with consistency. Principle 5, authority. We feel a sense of duty or obligation to people in positions of authority. Here, you can use both your authority and the authority of others as influencers. To use authority, get support from influential and powerful people and ask for their help in backing your idea or endorsing your company. If you're marketing a product or service, highlight well-known and respected customers. Use comments from industry experts and talk about impressive research or statistics. Principle number 6, scarcity. When you believe something is in short supply, you want it even more. With this principle, people need to know that they're missing out if they don't act quickly. If you're selling a product, limit the stock available. Set a closing date for the offer, or create special editions of products. The goal of any business is to always make money, so pay close attention to these principles, learn what they're all about, and apply them to your business. If you apply them properly, you'll notice an unmistakable growth in your business. Don't be afraid to give your potential customers a free sample or two and tell them how your products won't be available for much longer at certain prices if they don't act fast. If you're new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost profits, subscribe to our channel. If you'd like help to implement any of these powerful principles to influence others so you can attract more customers, go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free profit boost call so you can see how we can identify additional ways to help you increase sales and boost profits. No obligation, no sales pitch. We help businesses boost profits on a pay after results basis.